Welcome to Planet Microcap. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and joining me today is Dan Wilton. He's the CEO and director at First Mining Gold. It's a publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you, FF on the TSX and FFMGF on the OTCQX. And First Mining Gold will be presenting at the upcoming Precious Metals Summit Beaver Creek, happening September 13th through 16th, 2022. For more information, please visit precioussummit.com. And with that, Dan, thank you so much for joining me today. How you doing?
Robert, I'm well. Thanks for having me. It's great to see you.
Absolutely. Great to see you too.
It looks like you're about to go skiing, by the way, which is also pretty exciting.
Your definition of skiing, I think, varies here with the no snow.
There you
Maybe
go.
maybe in a couple months
Couple of
from
months.
this picture. Yeah.
Exactly.
So Dan, look, it's been a few years since I think we've done an interview with First Mining Gold, so I know a lot has changed. So for those that may haven't heard of First Mining Gold or haven't seen any of our interviews in the past, can you start us off with that quick overview of the company?
Yeah, sure. And 3 years has been a long time in this company. A lot's changed. So First Mining Gold is developing projects in Canada, gold projects, a portfolio of projects that we're in the process of expanding with a really exciting acquisition and consolidation of the Duparquet project in Quebec. Really two main assets we focus on that are both 5 million ounce gold projects. One in Ontario, Spring Pole, about 100 kilometers from Red Lake, which is in the middle of the environmental assessment process, in the middle of a feasibility study process. But our pre-feasibility showed, project that can produce more than 300,000 ounces a year, and had an NPV just shy of $1 billion US. And the Duparquet project, which we're in the process of consolidating, again, two past producing mines, right smack in the middle of the best endowed gold systems in Quebec. And, it had a pre-feasibility study done on it in 2014 that showed a production range of 150 to 200,000 ounces a year. But we think there's some really interesting work to do on that front as well. But it's a project right now that, combined with another project that we have, again, 3 million ounces M&I and another 2 million ounces plus of inferred. So really solid, underpinned by really solid resources. And then a portfolio of other projects that some we own outright, like our Cameron project. Many we found partners for over the last 2 or 3 years. So Pickle Crow, high grade gold in Ontario. Our partner Ateco Minerals has drilled to date about 140,000 meters on this project in the last couple of years. Hope Brook in Newfoundland, million ounce gold project there that our partner Big Ridge Gold is moving forward. And we're still the largest shareholder of Treasury Metals, which is advancing the Goliath Gold project in Ontario. So all those strategic stakes, I think, lots of great work going on them. In addition to that, a royalty portfolio. We have 21 royalties across a bunch of those partnership projects, but a number of other projects we've had exposure to over the years that we've moved on to other partners.
Very good. All right. So Dan, like we said and kind of joked, it's been a few years since we had you on the show. So, we're not going to go through every single update in that time, but maybe in the last 12 months, what would you say are some of the company's highlights?
Yeah, real highlights for us. If you go back to the beginning of 2021, the pre-feasibility study on Spring Pole that, showed a really big and robust project. We have advanced Spring Pole through the environmental assessment process to the point where in June, we published our draft environmental assessment document, which is sitting on our website, www.firstmininggold.com. It's about a 10,000 page document that is the culmination of 10 plus years of data collection and work. So, we really are, I think, of this next generation of projects, really, I think at the front of the queue. There's a lot of projects in construction right now or just kind of receiving their permits. When you look beyond that in the gold industry, the pipeline gets very thin. So for us, we think Spring Pole fits really well in that kind of time frame, and moving toward submitting a final environmental assessment document in 2023. And from that point that's submitted, it's about a 12-month process to get EA approval. So yeah, that's Spring Pole. And then again, the most significant thing over the course of the last few months here is us announcing the consolidation of the Duparquet project, which It's a project that has had 260,000 meters of drilling done on it from 2008 to 2014, taken a pre-feasibility study, environmental baseline work, and it's a project sitting in the middle of the Abitibi in Quebec. Uh, we're there this week. I mean, it's an unbelievable opportunity that we look forward to helping scope, define, and move forward as well.
Very good. All right. Well, Dan, to close us out here today, from what you can tell us, what would you say are some of the company's near-term value catalysts?
Near-term value catalysts, I mean, continuing at Springpole as we move through the feasibility study process, we're anticipating a feasibility study middle of next year. And ultimately the submission of that final environmental assessment document, hopefully around the same time. And then at Duparquet, we will have an updated resource coming out shortly. And then moving toward an economic study, an updated economic study at Duparquet. We're just figuring out the time frame of that right now, but would like to see that within a 12-month time frame as well. So it's continuing ongoing environmental baseline work and really putting together a thoughtful plan to work through some of the environmental legacies that are left at that past producing project, but incorporating that into a really exciting development to move forward.
Very good. All right. Well, Dan, with that, where can our audience go and find more information on First Mining Gold?
Website's the best spot, www.firstmininggold.com.
Dan, thank you so much for joining me today. Really do appreciate it. Good luck. Stay safe, and we'll see you in Beaver Creek.
Thanks, Robert. We'll see you there. Hopefully with your skis on.
Oh, yeah, right. Well, again, First Mining Gold will be presenting at the upcoming Precious Metals Summit, Beaver Creek, happening September 13th through 16th, 2022. For more information, please go to precioussummit.com.